Don't dance to show off yourself. Dance to make her happy, which means dance to her ability. Don't go and go crazy with your moves. She'll appreciate a guy who knows 4 or 5 basic moves really, really well and does those consistently with good posture.
Dance to her level. So it's your job to figure out where she can dance, whatever, regardless of what she says. Your job to figure out what her ability is. So don't go if you know a level 5 move. Don't go throwing that out right away. If it's the first time you've danced with her, start with 1, and if she passes that, then go to level 2, then level 3. You may like the mistake that we'll make is we think, okay, level 5 is the best looking move, so I have to do that every time for the dance to look good. That's flawed logic. The correct logic is you dance to the level that she's at, and that's going to look good. It's not about the actual move, it's about how the story of your guys dance together.
And if you want the song to look good with the dance, know the song. Know when the chorus starts, know when there's a break, and know when the chorus ends, and the song ends as well, so that you can actually hit that dip at the very end. It'll look really good.